Good evening, I'm Anjanette Levy. Well, we thought we knew how Cincinnati Public Schools plan to start the 2020 school year, but after public districts in Columbus and Cleveland chose to go fully remote, some think CPS should do the same. Brad Underwood takes a look at what could be next for the Tri-State's largest school district.
Normally, summer is a time for educators and school board members to take a break from that school year grind. Well, this summer, there's obviously nothing normal about it as districts across the country continue to work trying to figure out what school is going to look like.
Monday night, 2 districts will update families and staff on school reopening plans. Three Rivers is expected to choose one of 3 options it's considering: a return to school as normal as possible, fully remote, or a mix of the two.
There definitely is not an answer that works for everybody. The one thing we know about COVID is that things will change.
And with those changes, districts will need to be able to pivot. In West Claremont, plans are in place to switch education models at a moment's notice. In Cincinnati, we're likely going to see a change coming to the selected model of blended learning. A reopen update is on Monday's agenda. Board member Ryan Messer says he has concerns with the current case number and the alert level Hamilton County is in. He says his gut is telling him the superintendent will suggest the district go full remote learning. For pediatrician Catherine Auger, her own study suggesting kids out of school in the spring prevented 1.37 million cases nationwide is a sneak peek into the future as cases continue to increase.
I suspect we are going to see some increases in the number of cases and deaths from COVID in the community. It just is what happens when you have people congregating.
Cincinnati Children's Hospital is part of the health system working with CPS on reopening plans. Board member Mike Morosoki says Cincinnati Children's often partners with the district and the input is very valuable. Brad Underwood, Local 12 News.
The Cincinnati Federation of Teachers has publicly stated that it wants the school year to start fully remote if coronavirus cases numbers do not improve. There's a rally happening in support of a safe reopening ahead of Monday's school board meeting. That starts at 6:30, and we'll have that covered for you.